Okay, here are some 3 cool websites that you should know in 2024. The first one is called SuperMeme. You can just see here, just type SuperMeme and you'll get to the website. Here, you just type your text, then it will change it into meme. For example, these are texts that I've just typed here. When you are too broke that you cannot afford to pay attention. Okay, let's generate it. Let's generate the meme. Okay. You see, the website now generates cool memes. Huh? Okay, can see them. Okay. Now the second website is called GPT Excel. Now here you just type description of the formula that you want it to generate, that then it will generate the formula for you. Just type the formula you want to generate, then it will generate the formula for you. For example, I've just typed Excel formula to filter out cells where value is greater than 50. Okay? See what it has generated for me. If now you just copy paste this formula into your Excel file, then it will help you out. Okay. The last website is called Leonardo AI. This one. I think you can see it very well. Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI generates cool images. Maybe here, I want to generate logo for a bakery business called Bake Me. Okay. Now just type in your text here. Then you generate. See this. It's free. There's a free trial version. Okay. You see what it has generated for me. These are very cool logos that you can customize the way you want. Okay.